Explorer conversion Transit, T150, 3.5 liters EcoBoost V6, rear-wheel drive, plush leather interior, second-row captain chairs, power folding third-row seating, BED, Samsung flat-screen TV, HDMI port, rear sunroof, chrome wheels with Michelin tires, lane keeping system, navigation, Sync 3 voice-activated Bluetooth system, and much more. With any questions and to take advantage of this internet special, please contact Jeremiah Wright. Ask him about financing, extended service plan, or an auto check history report and Carfax. Please call us to check availability and to schedule a test drive. Prices do not include G8 of tag, or title. Must print ad to receive quoted price and signed by Internet Manager. X_. Subject to prior sale. Not responsible for typographical errors or VIN-generated errors. Please visit our home website to view a free auto check history report and Carfax.